Most traders had thought we'd be exiting QE, but that's now all up for grabs. Sterling as a result, 164.46. We've dropped a cent and a half against the dollar since that figure, because we were certainly above 166. Joining us for more, Sam Stanley, the dealing director at Halo Financial. That's put the cat among the pigeons, hasn't it, Sam?
It certainly has, Ross. Yeah, I mean, that's a shocker. That really is. That's a bad figure. All the talk of, you know, the UK coming out of recession, no need for further stimulus through QE. All of a sudden, now we will be looking at more stimulus through QE. I think they'll have to go out to 200 billion now from 175, and probably means the cable rise that we've seen from sort of 157 up to 166 may well come to a bit of an end if we drop through 164 today.
I mean, look, how much? I mean, what is the target here? Because, you know, 2 weeks ago or 10 days ago, sterling was really under the cosh, right? So do we go back down to those levels in the 150s against the greenback?
Well, not necessarily. I mean, it's made major progress. In many ways, it's broken out of the downtrend that it was in. It had to stay above 164.50 type levels. It did that. It got all the way up to 166 odd. Was doing pretty well. So if it drops back below that previous support, which is now resistance, then we will have a massive question mark over whether it's going to resume the downtrend and start heading towards 157. It could all change today. There's a lot of time left in the day.
Hey Sam, this is Christine. With people getting out the sterling today, how much of that money will flow into higher yielding commodity currencies like the Aussie and the Kiwi?
Well, I think there's still a lot going back in there, Christine. I mean, people's risk appetite is still pretty high. Stock market's going up. Commodities are rallying. Basically, the Kiwi and the Aussie dollar at the moment are the places to have your money. So at this stage, the trend is still there, and you've got to go with the trend. It's overcooked. I mean, there's no two ways about it. 93% on the RSIs for both the Kiwi and the Aussie on a weekly basis, so they're overcooked. But they're still, you know, they're trending up. So I think more money will flow in there. It's certainly, after today's figure, probably not going to be going into the pound.
Sam, it's good to see you. It's Brian here.
Hey, Brian.
Euro dollar 150. What's more likely, 160 or 140?
At the moment, I still